in them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Welcome back to my channel.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
So today she has a dentist appointment and we are also gonna go and try to get this famous Popeyes Cajun turkey. I've been on hold basically for 2 weeks, which is crazy because Thanksgiving is Thursday. So yeah, y'all gonna see what happened because just because I didn't pay for it because they wouldn't let me on the website, I had to go into the store. So we're gonna go also check some nice Christmas hacks that Dollartree had. This is one of them. And if you know, you know. You should always have bells on your door to keep away, y'all already know, the noisome pestilence that walketh at night. But anyway, all right, so we just wanted to tell you the intro, what's happening in this video. And your girl went and had her teeth cleaned. Show them your teeth. Cheese. Nice and white like mommy. All right, guys. So
Bye.
Bye-bye. All right, so we are here, but look at this cute. Okay, AMG, he done hooked it up. You like it?
I don't like that kind.
Oh boy, you don't like anything, Nova. I just almost forgot. All right, we're gonna see. We can get this turkey today. Yay! Go turkey.
No turkey.
Dun, dun. Okay, do y'all like these? I love these. You want one? Oh, these are cute. Peppermint bark. I don't know. Might get one of these. What do they got? Got these. Look, I'm here. Hold on. Yeah, yeah.
No, I want to hold.
Put it.
I don't want to hold.
No, come on. Thank you. What you gonna make? It's for ice.
For jelly.
It's what is it for jelly?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Whoa, whoa.
I know, isn't it cute?
Whoa. Oh, dear.
I like it. Let's get one of these. Can you get a bell?
That first can I get one?
Oh, okay, I can get one.
It's our jelly.
Oh.
Yes,
Nova. All right. Don't get nothing else. Thank you. Oh, we gotta get one of these. Mints. Definitely need mints. That's so cute. Peanut brittle. Who remembers peanut brittle? Oh my goodness. It's so good. I love these.
Mommy, I need a pee.
You got to pee?
Mhm.
Oh my goodness. I don't think they have a bathroom in here. You at the dentist. Are you at the dentist?
I did
At the dentist. Oh, you cover your mouth? Very good.
What?
Here's your card.
Oh,
Okay, let me get your stuff.
Hi, it's for Miss Nova, right?
Yes.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. I got it all checked in. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Nicole will
Thank
be
you.
out for her in a minute.
All right. Thank you. Go sit down. They're not ready yet. Yay! You excited? Are you excited? At the dentist. Let's watch some TV.
So don't look right at it. Right. Close your eyes and relax. Just relax.
It's like you're at the beach in the sun.
Just listen to the music, right? Listen to Drake. Yes, relax.
Yeah.
Relax. You know, Drake is relaxing. You know.
1 hour later.
You got a sticker? Let me see the teeth. Let me see your stickers. Wow. And you got a toothbrush? Wow.
So we gotta restock on these. But
Whoa.
I got you a little baggie for your toothbrush. Need a full bag. And then you can pick out a couple things.
Whoa.
So these are like stamps. Which is cool.
See dinosaurs?
Always like a good ring.
Right, she loves dinosaurs.
You want a dinosaur? Get a couple
Yay.
dinosaurs. We got options. So you like dinosaurs?
Wow.
Your bag?
You want to put in your bag?
You want to put them in? Here, I'll hold the bag open. You can. I gotta get rid of these. So
She's
we
like,
get more. So put them all in there.
Oh, right. Oh, my goodness.
Take all the fam.
Oh, you got lip.
Bubbles?
Oh, bubbles.
Yeah. Okay.
Nice.
You like green? This one's cute.
Whoa.
And a car? Whoa.
Wow. Rum rum.
Yeah, get all the good ones.
Right?
Yeah.
It is so
She's in the
cool.
perfect age group for this.
Oh,
Versus
yeah.
Like anyone like 2-3 years older, they're like.
They're like, what is that?
What is that? I'm like,
Oh, those are for babies. So basically, she got her teeth clean, and we do this every 6 months. But the results were she has one cavity, and she has to get, it's her baby tooth. So because she's only 4 and it comes out, she said at like the age of 6 or 7, I'm not too sure. That's when it's gonna, like, the cap is gonna come off. So she has to have this cap put on. But we have great insurance, so I do not want that silver cap. I don't want her to look like she has gold teeth in her mouth. That's just unattractive to me for children. So we're going to get the white one that looks like a tooth. But now we have to make an appointment. We have a referral. We're going to go to a pediatric dentist. So this is the dental hygienist. So correction, guys. She went to the dental hygienist. The reason you hear my fabulous voice is because they were playing Drake on this TV screen that I will show you in a second. But happy holidays, guys. Be safe. For any of you traveling, just be safe. Buckle up. All right. Hi, how are you? Chunk, the doctor's here.
How are you?